Welcome to Takeshita Street, Tokyo's epicenter of teen culture, kawaii fashion, and chaotic creativity. But beneath the candy-colored surface lies a surprising history that makes this narrow 400-meter stretch in Harajuku one of Japan's most iconic streets. Takeshita Street didn't always look like this. After World War II, Harajuku was a quiet residential area, until the US military set up camp nearby. Soldiers brought Western pop culture, rock and roll, jeans, and hamburgers, which slowly started influencing local style. By the 1970s and 80s, Japanese youth had turned rebellion into art. Takeshita Street became their canvas. This was the birthplace of Harajuku fashion, wild, rule-breaking, totally original. Here, you'd see teens mixing Victorian corsets with neon leg warmers, punk meets Hello Kitty, no outfit too weird, no rule unbroken, style tribes like Gothic Lolitas, Decora kids, and visual kei artists all strutted down this very street. In the 90s, global eyes turned to Harajuku. When Gwen Stefani sang about the Harajuku girls, she was singing about the fearless teens on Takeshita. This was the street that made kawaii cool, where fashion meant freedom. Today, Takeshita Street is still buzzing. You'll find rainbow grilled cheese, 3D lattes, selfie studios, and shops like Wago and Bodyline that cater to both fashionistas and the curious. One must visit? Marion Crêpes, serving sweet crepes since 1976. It's one of the original food stalls that started the Harajuku street food trend. But step off the main drag and you'll discover Harajuku's heart still beats with rebellion. Indie designers sell handmade pieces, vintage shops recycle the past into the future, and artists gather in cafes to plan what's next. Takeshita Street is more than fashion. It's a living mood board, a mirror of youth culture, a reminder that in Japan, self-expression isn't just accepted, it's celebrated. So the next time you're in Tokyo, take a walk down Takeshita. Let the colors, sounds, and styles sweep you up. And maybe, just maybe, find a version of yourself you didn't expect.